ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Additional Chief Secretary ke Jilla Uba Donald P. Walang Uba Pej ke Tanat Puli Putih Jong ke Sarkar Jilla Ula keren de ke Bashai Ba Baro Kinong Yakun ke Bala Pas ke Megalia Teachers Eligibility Test Kim Don Kamshu Bandang Khuslai But Kim Don Kamshu Hiru Bandang Yakun Biang Yakane ke Examen Kani ke jing pensyai jong uba Walang kalong hadin bakila don katto ka nengut kinong hikai ki bala pas ke examen MTET hagini ki khendiat snam kidang don ke jing ser mensem bat ke jing artatin namar bakat kum ke kindon ke barim ke validity jong ke MTET certificate kan kun no tang hapo arsnem hanrei kat kum ke jing penbena bala penmi dangshen de ke sarkar India ke kedo baka MTET certificate jong kito ki bala pas yakani ke examen kalong shirta ke jing im
Mendai bandan confusion halor kani. Kito ki papas MTET mensua hak tu kapor na po NCT ka regulation kalong ba kanlong valid tang arsnem. Mendai hadian bagi latho asya government of India but po NCT yang mapen. Lada ka UGC net kalong valid for lifetime. So logically the MTET will be long valid for a lifetime. Why should it be valid for 2 years only? Namar ba can have the exam you have to fail the second time. We don't know what will be the outcome of the examination. Yang way kalau pass CCN can be long valid for a lifetime. So initially hapor bagi ai MTET certificate kat kum ka rule how to hapor ka valid for 2 years. But then ka government of India ka NCT ka thos ni ba la ban long lifetime. Ti nak tahu ni permi sakoi ka notification hadian berarti la pass MTET berkhoi ka certificate kan long valid for a lifetime. So as of today baro la pass MTET ka certificate kalong valid for a lifetime. There is no need for them to panic. There is no need for them to write the exam again. So they can apply for any interview later on in any government aided institution or government institution with that old MTET certificate. Lashai kade ka exam manjina ek MTET LP kade min step upper primary kade janmian hoy tamaki bala pass kimdan kamane yele sure. There is no requirement or kitu bla pass net system kim juli yele issue they get that second time la pass ko along valid forever today bagi part one man approach for DRT lada ki thoda ka stage for DRT can reissue a certificate with my please tell them not to panic and not to be afraid of. I'm speaking with full authority but along valid for a lifetime. Okay.